Today, I'll show you how to generate and edit images using a ChatGPT bot inside of Telegram. And the best part is, you can do this using your phone inside Telegram app. What is ChatGPT Telegram bot? Now, before we jump into the tutorial, let's first understand what happens behind the scenes. A ChatGPT Telegram bot connects the messaging platform to AI models like ChatGPT. When you send the message, Telegram sends your request to the bot. Then the bot sends the request to an AI model. Then the AI model generates a response or an image, and now the bot sends the request back to you in the chat. This means that you can generate images, edit photos, and even create designs directly from a chat message. Now let's actually do this step by step. First, open Telegram. In the search bar, you can search for ChatGPT AI bot that supports image generation. Some bots use models like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion to create images from text prompts. Once you find the bot, open the chat and tap Start. The bot will activate and show the available commands. Most bots will show commands like these available examples. These commands are the ones that you're going to use to generate and edit your images. Now let's generate our first image. Inside the chat, type something like this prompt. The bot will read your prompt, send it to the AI image generator, create the image, then it will send the request back to Telegram. Usually it takes 5 to 20 seconds. And just like that, you've created your first image. Congratulations! Many bots will generate multiple variations, but it's upon you to choose which is the best for you. Some bots enhance your prompt before even you generate the image for better results. If you want better images, your prompt matters. Instead of writing car, write something like red sports car drifting on a mountain road, sunset lighting, cinematic photography. Add details like lighting, camera style, art style, environment. For example, using this prompt, image astronaut riding a horse on Mars, ultra realistic, cinematic lighting. The more descriptive the prompt, the better image. Now let's edit an image. First, upload an image to the bot, tap the attachment icon and send your photo. Once the image is uploaded, you will ask AI to modify it. Example prompts: remove the person in the background, turn this photo into a cartoon illustration, change the background to a tropical beach, improve the quality and make it 4K. The bot analyzes the image and generates the edited version. This is powerful because everything happens inside Telegram. You don't need Photoshop, editing apps, graphic design skills. Just describe what you want and the AI will generate it for you. The bot simply converts your message into a prompt, generates the image using AI models, and sends the final result back to your chat. So that's how you can generate and edit images using ChatGPT bot inside Telegram. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.